In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send reminders in Microsoft Planner. If you want to make sure a task stays visible and time sensitive in Planner, setting a due date is one of the easiest ways to do it. A due date helps trigger reminders and keeps everyone aligned on deadlines, especially when you're managing multiple tasks inside the same plan. To get started, open Microsoft Planner and go to your plan board. This is the main view where your tasks are organized, often in columns or buckets, so you can quickly see what needs attention. Before moving on, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct plan, especially if you manage more than one project. Once you're on the board, find the task you want to set a reminder for and click on it. This will open the Task Details panel, where you can edit important information like progress, assignments, notes, and dates. If you're working with a task that doesn't yet have a deadline, this is where you'll add one. Next, click on the due date field. This is the key part of the process because reminders in Microsoft Planner are tied to the task's due date. In other words, if there is no due date set, Planner won't have the information it needs to send that time-based reminder. After clicking the due date field, select a specific date. Choose the deadline that makes the most sense for the task and your workflow. Try to pick a realistic date that gives enough time for the task to be completed without creating unnecessary urgency. If you're managing team tasks, it can also help to confirm the timeline with the person responsible before setting it. Once that date is added, Planner can use it to surface the task as upcoming or overdue and support reminder behavior connected to deadlines. This is a simple but effective way to keep tasks from being forgotten. A helpful tip here is to use due dates consistently across your plan. Even if a task seems minor, adding a date makes it easier to track progress and prioritize work later. It also gives you and your team a clearer picture of what's coming up next. And that's all it takes to send reminders in Microsoft Planner. Go to your plan board, open the task, click the due date field, and choose a specific date. It's a quick setup, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and on schedule.